Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to discuss linear equations in one variable class 8 CBSE. Question 15 and 16 of exercise 2.2 in this video. So let's begin. Here I'll be having question 15 for you. So question 15 says, I have a total amount of rupees 300 in coins with denomination rupees 1, rupees 2 and rupees 5. The number of 2 rupee coin is 3 times the number of 5 coins. What is the total numbers of coins is 160. How many coins of each denomination are with me? All right. So the question says us to find out how many coins are there with me of rupees 1, rupees 2 and rupees 5 which make up 300 coins. So guys, let's go with the solution here. Let us imagine rupees 5 as x. Alright, so when I imagine rupees 5 as x, what will be 2 rupee coin? That is nothing but 3 times of rupees 5 which is given in the question. So 3 times of number rupees 5 is nothing but 3 times x, isn't it? 3 times x is nothing but 3x. Now, how do we find out the 1 rupee coin? That's quite simple. 160, which is the number of coins, minus the number of coins of 5 and 2, isn't it? So, 160 minus 3x plus x equals to 160 minus 4x. How do I get 4x? That's quite simple. If you just add 3x plus 1x, which gives you 4x. So 160 minus 4x. Now, let us clearly write down the rupees 1, rupees 2 coins and rupees 5 coins. So how do we write that down? 1 multiplied by 160 minus 4x, right? So that gives us 160 minus 4x itself. Now, similarly, we do the same with the other 3, which is 2 coins, that is 3x is multiplied by 2, which gives us 6x. So, 3 into 2 gives us 6 and x is written as it is. Similarly, for the 5 rupee coin, 5 rupees coin is nothing but x, right? So, x is multiplied by 5, which gives us 5x. Now, how do we go ahead? That's quite simple. As we know, the total amount that I have in my hand is 300 rupees, right? So, basically, I have total amount of 300 in cents. If I add rupees 1, rupees 2 and rupees 3, I get a total amount of 300. That is what I mean by saying total amount of 300. So we just add the 3 coins or the 3 amount, right? So when we add this, we get the output as 300 rupees. Now, just we'll be transposing 160 to the RHS, right? We'll be just using the linear equations which we had learned in the first exercise. That will be converted to minus 160. So 300 minus 160 gives us 140. So 7x equals to 140. You can either divide it both the sides or you can transpose 7 to your RHS and directly divide 140 by 7, right? So when we divided both the sides, our 7 and 7 gets off and 6x equals to 140 by 7, which gives you 20, right? So when I say x, you must immediately remember that it's the 5 rupee amount. So 20 coins I have, which is rupees 5. So how many coins do I have? 20. We already got one answer, right? So now similarly you do it for the other two, which is 2 rupee coin, which is 3x. So what is that? 3 into 20, which gives us 60. So I have 60 coins with denomination of 2 and I have 1 rupee coin of 80 rupees. I mean 80 coins. How do I say that? Let's just find out. 160 minus 4 into 20. I've just substituted x as 20. And now 4 into 20 gives us 80, isn't it? So 160 minus 80 gives us 80. So guys, I hope that was quite easy and interesting. Let's go with question number 16. Here I have question number 16 for you. It says the organizers of an essay competition decide that in a competition gets a prize of the winner of the competition gets a prize of rupees 100 and the participants who did not win get the prize amount of rupees 25. The total prize money distributed is 3000. Find the number of winners if the total number of participants is 63. So guys, let us just discuss this question in detail so that you just get better in understanding it. Just imagine there are 63 participants for an organization or a competition, right? So in that, we just need to find out the number of winners. That's all. So now, they have just given us the winners get the rupees of 100 and the remaining members who did not win will get the rupees of 25. So let's start with the solution and find out the number of winners. Let us imagine our answer, which is winners, be x. Now, how do we find out who did not win? It's quite simple. The total minus the winners gives us who did not win. In sense, 63 minus x gives us the participants who will not win or who did not win. Now, the amount given to the winners is rupees 100 per person. Now, for whole winners is multiplied by x, which gives us 100x. Now, the next step, we'll just see who did not win. How do we just do it? It's quite simple. It is rupees 25, right? Who did not win will get. So 25 multiplied by 63 minus x, right? So that's what is done here. Now, observe carefully. We'll be multiplying 25 into 63 and 25 into x, right? Now, this is what the binomial multiplication. So when we multiply 25 into 63, what's your answer? 1575. And when you multiply 25 into x, that is 25x. The minus is as it is written, right? Now, let's go ahead. Now, you can know that the total amount which is given in the question is 3000, right? So 100x plus 1575 minus 25x equals to 3000, isn't it? Now that's quite simple to solve. We'll just be transposing 1575 to the RHS, which converts to minus, right? Now 3000 minus 1575 is nothing but 1425. How do we get 75x? Might be a question. I'll just say you that now. Now 100x minus 25x gives you 75x. Why do we get positive 75x? Is because of the greater number sign, which is 100, right? Now, you can either transpose 75 to your RHS, which converts to division, or you can divide it both the sides, which gives you 75 and 75 will be taken off. So x equals to 1425 by 75. What is your answer? 19. So x equals to 19. X in sense the winners, right? So the winners are 19. Guys, I hope that was quite interesting and clear. If you really like this video, do give me a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Do share my videos and subscribe my channel.